This video tutorial will demonstrate logging into your new managed Apple ID account using your iPad. First, we will need to log out of your current Apple ID account. Let's begin by locating the Settings app and giving it a tap. Once in Settings, please tap on your Apple ID account as shown here. Next, tap on Sign Out at the bottom of the right-hand column. In order to complete the sign out process, you will be prompted to enter in your Apple ID password. Please do so at this prompt. After entering your password, tap on Turn Off in the upper right-hand corner. You will have now logged out of your Apple ID account. The next step in the process asks us to log in with our new managed Apple ID account. While still in the Settings app, please locate and tap on the section called Sign In to your iPad, as shown here. When prompted to enter in your Apple ID, please enter your Burlington Public School Google account, which is now your new managed Apple ID. Once you have entered that, please tap on Next in the upper right-hand corner. The next step, please tap on the word Continue to progress through the login steps. The next screen, you will be prompted to enter in a password. Here, please enter in your Burlington Public School Wi-Fi network password. This is the same password used to log into your MacBook. Once you have entered your password here, please tap on Sign In. When prompted to stay signed in, please reply and tap on Yes. Success! You will now see your name and your managed Apple ID account. Your Burlington Public School managed Apple ID account is now successfully entered. Thank you.